Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting precise identifiers so the warranty check is accurate. Find the GPU model and serial on the card or via software. Write them down. Next, locate proof of purchase, invoice, order email, or bank record because manufacturers need it. Finally, note your purchase date and compare it to common warranty lengths, such as 1 or 3 years, since this determines eligibility. Once done, you'll have everything required to query the manufacturer or retailer immediately. You now use the manufacturer's support portal to check coverage. Sign in or create an account so you can register the product and save records. This often speeds claims. Enter the serial and model exactly as noted. Registration pages validate eligibility and may display remaining warranty time. Also examine regional RMA rules and whether warranties are transferable or voided by mods. Once you've confirmed online status, make sure to screenshot the results and save any confirmation ID for the next step. You finish by initiating the RMA through the support portal or by phone. Include serial, proof of purchase, and clear symptom notes so they triage correctly. Once approved, follow packing and shipping instructions precisely and back up or remove any personal data before sending the card. Keep RMA numbers and tracking info. This is how you monitor progress and confirm repair versus replacement. If the serial isn't recognized, contact support immediately. Provide photos and receipts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.